Billy Ray was a preacher's son. When his daddy would visit, he'd come along. When they gathered around and started to...
Okay, in this problem we're asked to calculate V cross W if V is 1, 2, 1 and W is 3, 1, 1. Okay, so here again we have another kind of straightforward computation, which is good, especially when you're working with determinants and cross products. I think that a lot to becoming familiar with it is through practice, doing practice problems. Okay, so V cross W, let's set that up. So we have a 3 by 3 that we'll need, and on the top row goes our I hat, J hat, and K hat. And then for we're going to write V, the V components across the middle here, and our W1s go on the bottom. So 3, 1, 1. Okay, and then from here we just go straight through and compute the determinant that we just created. So we're going to circle the top left, so that's an I hat. And then we make our minor by crossing out everything in line with the I. Okay, so we're left with 2, 1, 1, 1. All right, lots of ones. Then we have our minus sign there, and then we're going to write down the next thing that we'll circle, which is our J hat. Okay, and then we're going to cross out everything in line with that, and we are left with, on the bottom here, 1, 3, and then a 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, and for our last term, we have K hat. That's what I'm going to circle here. The last thing on the top row, we cross out everything in line with it, and we're left with 1, 3, and 2, 1. Okay, so we just set that up, and now let's go through and simplify these 2 by 2s. So now we're going to get I hat times what? 2 times 1 minus 1 times 1, so that's 1. And then minus a J hat times 1 times 1 is a 1, minus 1 times 3, that's a 3. Okay? And this last term is going to be a plus K hat, and then we have 1 times 1 minus 6. 2 times 3 is a 6. Okay? So, finishing up here, we have an I times 1 minus a J hat times negative 2, so that'll be a plus 2 J hat. And then we have a negative 5 K hat. Alright, so this is going to turn out to be the vector 1, 2, negative 5. Alright, so that is our the resultant vector from our cross product of V and W.
Get away again tonight. The only one that ever reached me was the son of a preacher man. The